What's going on YouTube? Today I'm on another video. Today I'll be changing the valve cover gaskets on a Acura Integra to a 94 with a B18B1 engine in it, and it's turbo. So I'm gonna get started. It's already nighttime here in Miami. Let's get to it. So here's the engine, guys. When I first got this car, it had a hole in the block. My buddy from the president of PTAR, he came through and he gave me a huge hand on this. We actually put the engine back in the car. We spent a whole day. I try to clean as much as I can. The car was pretty filthy when I got it. I still need to wash it again. I've actually stopped working on this due to time, but here I am again. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can for you guys, so you guys can see the process little by little of this build. Hopefully when I'm done, this car will go to someone else that can give it some TLC, as I do not plan to stay with it. But so far it's been an amazing experience with this Honda. I've never been into Hondas myself, but it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so the problem that we're having with this is that the valve cover gasket is leaking, and I am going to attempt to change the valve cover gasket and explain the process as I work along. Enjoy, stay tuned guys. So I'm going to start by removing all the wires, spark plugs. So basically this car is turbo, so I have the oil feed line for the turbo right here. It's sitting in between, so I'm gonna take that off really quick. And this is gonna be in the way, the oil turbo feed line. The oil feed line for the turbo is in the way. I'm gonna take that off next. Alright, so I removed the turbo feed line, and now I can continue with the removal of the valve cover gasket. Actually the valve cover, then the valve cover gasket. Alright guys, so here I already removed the the old valve cover gasket with the spark plug tube seals, valve cover gasket. Now out with the old, in with the new. I got a Velcro for number VS Victor Sierra 50362 R like Romeo. It brings the valve cover gasket with the spark plug tube seals for the B18B1. Go with good quality parts, guys. Let's not get cheap. Velcro's really good, even though it's made in China, but it's a really good brand. And guys, here's more or less how it's gonna look once you install the Velcro valve cover gasket on your valve cover for the B18B1 engine. Check it out. Brand new spark plug tube seals. Brand new valve cover gasket that I'm now gonna be reinstalling on the car.
Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. No sentiste eso, ¿no? Tú no sentiste eso. ¿Eh? ¿Ya pusiste?
Yeah.
Pinga, loco, que no se puede sacar este carro hasta ahora, loco.
So here it is, guys. This is what it should look like when it's done. See, brand new. Brand new. So yeah, guys, there you go. You have it. I replaced the valve cover gasket on the B18B1 Acura Integra. Just remember, guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, LamTalks. Please hit that thumbs up and share my videos. I'll be posting up more videos as I keep doing more jobs.
I'll probably post a few more on that Acura, as I'll be doing more things to it. Eventually get it running. I want to get it tuned. You know, I want to keep bringing you guys more videos, so please subscribe to my channel and enjoy.